Now imagine this. You just spotted a new opportunity on Polygon and maybe a fresh token launch, a trending farm, or probably a cheap entry you do not want to miss. You open your wallet, the clock is ticking, and you realize if you can swap quickly and cheaply, you get to lose the moment. Now that's where Polygon shines, and it's low fees, fast confirmations, and smooth swapping. Now, let me show you exactly how to swap tokens on the Polygon network. But before we continue, if you find our content helpful, do to buy our educational token Wikicat. And for the purpose of this video, I'll be using my OKX Web3 wallet. And I click on my OKX Web3 wallet. And yes, make sure you fund yourself with the native fee for Polygon, which is PO. It's no longer matters at this point. And all you need to do is just, maybe use a relay, a bridge, and probably swap from a particular asset to your Polygon native fee, or you send it from a centralized exchange. And let's get to use a decentralized exchange called QuickSwap because it's easy and beginner friendly. So let's go to Explore and click on QuickSwap. And yep, here is it. Make sure it's the right QuickSwap, dap.quickswap.exchange. And you just click on your connect wallet, agree to your terms, and use your OKX wallet, and voila, you are connected definitely. So you need to select the tokens you want to swap. So you'd see from, and this is a you pay Paul to receive this. So let's say I want to pay I want to get this quick because I think quick is a new token here. So I could just use 2 POL, that's about 0.25 USD. And waiting for my output, I'll get 20 quick. And I click on swap, it seeks the better pricing for me. And swap 2 POL to 20.338 quick. And I click on confirm swap. And I get to approve, confirm the transaction. And voila, transaction submitted, and transaction confirmed and completed. And you click on close. It is very easy. Your tokens would arrive in seconds and your wallet would update almost instantly. And also, if you don't get to receive the token, you could actually add it up manually by using its contract address. Let's get to my wallet and I refresh it. You could see my poll has reduced. It's not even part of the low asset value. And yeah, here is my quick that I have just received. All right, so it's very, very easy. So if this tutorial helped you, make sure you like the video, share it to someone who needs it, and drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to SMC Tutors for more Web3 videos and crypto tutorials and easy breakdowns.